Hello everyone and welcome to Heidi's Home. So today I'm getting the day started by making us a BLT. Now I've got to tell you, have you guys had horrendous hot days like we have had here? Let me tell you, we've been under heat advisory for a few days in a row, and I have not been turning that oven on. I have been doing simple meals on the range top, stove top, whatever you want to call it, because I do not want to heat my house. And today I knew I had a lot of work to get done, and the very first thing I started with was taking my couch covers off and throwing those into the washing machine. I went shopping the other day and I did not take a chance to put away all of my shopping bags. And as you can see here, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My husband and I my husband is completely blind and I am visually impaired. And so we take public transportation when we go to the grocery store. And in doing that, I rely a lot on these heavy-duty bags. It gets us on the bus and off the bus with ease, and I love them because they fold right up and fit into one large bag, and they're easy to store and easy to take out with us whenever we go. Also, too, these have heavy-duty handles. If you've seen my Sam's Club, shop with me, let's go to Sam's video that just came out recently, you will see where I showed you that Sam's is where I purchased these bags. I can tell you they're worth every penny. I have had those bags about 4 years. I think there might be a little wear and tear in them, but they have really done very, very well. They have kept up very well, and they wipe easily. So if anything spills inside or anything like that, you can clean them very, very easily. So I am going to squeegee my living room window. I can tell you, we have like a street sweeper, and I guess he does an okay job, but he makes the inside of our houses, and especially outdoors, like on our windows on the front of our house, they get terribly, terribly dusty. And you don't think about it at first glance, but when you clean them, you realize, wow, holy smoke, this has got a lot of buildup on it. And so my mother actually turned me on to the squeegee method last year. And because I'm so short and this window is so tall, I don't have to get a ladder out to clean this window or anything. And I absolutely love the finished product of using a squeegee. And it's really easy. And all I do is I get a giant bucket and I fill it with super hot water, some Dawn liquid soap, and just a little splash of vinegar, and it does the trick, and my windows look absolutely spotless. Now that my windows are clean, I am going to clean all of my downstairs ceiling fans. Now, I'm going to tell you, when I win the lottery, whenever that might be, the first thing to go in this house is going to be all these horrendous ceiling fans. Now, I'm not against one. I'm not even against two, but we have 4 in the downstairs. And I used to say that they were trying to make our house fly in the olden days. But I don't know. But anyways, I hate them because they are a pain to keep clean. And if you have like a second level in your home and you come down the stairs, if you're going to have company like I am getting ready for, when you come down the stairs, you can see all the dirt and debris laying right on top of those ceiling fans. You look straight down on top of them. And so it's kind of one of my pet peeves to keep them really, really clean and really, really shiny. Again, I'm just using hot water, some Dawn soap, and just giving it a wipe down with microfiber cloth, and then using a dry one just to make sure there's no debris left behind. Now, I had a load of dish towels and towels that just came out of the dryer. I'm going to get those folded. I'm really trying to get ready for company, but more so, I have a very hectic beginning of next week. And in saying that, I want to be ahead of the game. And so I am doing my best to, film everything I'm doing so that you all can see what I'm up to, but also to just get everything accomplished. Now I have finished cleaning. I guess that is number 2 of the ceiling fans, and now I am working on number 3 of the ceiling fans. Now the third one is in a 10-foot ceiling, and I am not going to attempt it on my own, so you won't be seeing that in this video. But this one here is my last one in this video, and again, just using the microfiber cloths. They do the trick every time. I get my microfiber cloths in a bundle, and I get it from Walmart. I think they're really reasonable, and they wash really, really well. So you just seen me vacuum behind my couch, and now I'm going to put the couch cover back on. going to do the daunting task of vacuuming my staircase. Now, when it is 150,000 degrees outside, this is the last chore I want to do, is be bending down and cleaning these stairs. But as you can see, I have very, very, very dark burgundy carpeting on my staircase. So every little white or light colored speck shows. And you probably can actually see it in this video. Any kind of tissue, anything that's on your bottom of your sock, like little fuzzies on your sock will stick onto these stairs, and it drives me crazy. I won't lie. So today I am going to use my vacuum cleaner and just get up all of the debris off of the staircase. This is the last task on my to-do list for today. It is evening time, and I am going to run my shampooer on this rug. Now, this rug goes on my front porch, and every year around this time of year, I find myself getting out the shampooer and giving it a good scrub. In my shampooer, I just have Gain laundry detergent and a tiny splash of Downy softener, and it just does the trick. It gives it a good clean, definitely gets out most of the spots. I will say this is an outdoor rug, and I didn't look actually for it to come out as good as it did, just merely because it does sit outside, and we do have the street sweeper and dust, and we have a kitty cat that lays on it during the day. So yes, it gets pretty dirty, but I was very satisfied with the outcome of it. I'm actually going to show you what it picks up in the little container. I hadn't ran this for a whole year, so it took me a little bit of time to figure out how to get the water container off of this thing. But then I figured out, oh, you just pull it out of the back. And voila, there it is. So you can see my dirty water. It picked up a lot, and I was so satisfied with the outcome of it. But yeah, I'm just going to leave it on the living room floor tonight as I go to bed and just let it dry. The shampooer picked up a majority of the moisture in the rug, so it is not, if it is damp at all, it's very, very minimal. But I do want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you feel somewhat motivated on this Monday when I release this. If you're watching it after Monday, I still hope you are motivated. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. I would love to have you part of Heidi's home. Yeah, have a fantastic week. I've got a busy one coming up, and I'm going to try my very, very best to stay cool. And you do the same and stay safe. And I will be seeing you all again soon. Here, lastly, in the video, I'm going to show you kind of a little bit of a close-up of the rug and what it looks like. But I'm happy with the outcome. I really am. So I can't wait to put my porch back together. I kind of have it all in pieces at the moment, just getting ready for company. So I will be seeing you all again soon. God bless.